You know that I count up them racks, you know that that's facts. You will get jacked, get hit with that Mac, knock off your hat, you was a rat, take all your stacks. Young nigga came from the bottom, trapped out that Louis and Prada.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing this hairstyle, obviously. It's quick, it's easy, and it's protective. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You're already here, you may as well just, yeah. Now let's get into the video. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's begin. So now I got these two puff tails. Sit around the house, let this air dry a little bit because this actually makes a difference. We back. And it's dry enough. I'm just going to put 3 twists on this side and then 3 twists on this side. It's just twisting very lightly. So you see how thick these are? You want to do it very loosely. Now you can see sort of what I was talking about with the fullness. If I had braided it tightly or twisted it tightly, it would have been like tiny. Alright, so I'm gonna get some gel. Just, you know, put that around the edges. So you want to hide the string inside of the pin. That's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is like the hairstyle minus the little extra decorations. This is the hairstyle I wear on a daily. You can't tell me nothing. Like, before you leave, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. You already came this far, so bye.
Yo, dough from the back, you know that we coming for that. Give me that. Just got the Rari, I just spent $1 million on that. Look how I'm acting, got